Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to show country or continent or region location on about this account information feature in X account. Now you see multiple option and then you see setting and support. In setting and support you see setting and privacy, so click on it. So we are going to show country or region location on account information on X. If other user or other person check about this account feature to our account, then if we want we can display country location or continent or region location. Now you see multiple option and then you see privacy and safety, so click on it. So we are in privacy and safety and then you see about your account, manage the location, so click on it. So we are in about your account information. You can choose to show region or country on your account information. You can select region, continent, or you can select use country like this. So you can select option according to requirement. If you want you can show country, if you want you can show region or continent, so it's up to you. So we are in about your account and then you can select option according to requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.